मगर इस देश रहना चाहिए, इस देश का लोकतंत्र में रहना चाहिए.
You can do one Mumbai, you may lose Baluchistan.
2, 1, 0. S139 mortar.
This man is a horrible man. He must be shunned.
To count. Our job is to hit the target, not to count the body bags.
Namaste, sir. Welcome to the show once again. Hopefully, we are going to cover amazing show for our audience today about Dhurandhar 2 and so many related things.
Thanks for calling, getting back. But I want to know that I came to know that you went to Dhurandhar 2 movie yesterday.
Yes,
So I was
sir. Yes,
quite-
sir. Fabulous,
quite-
fabulous presentation
Please tell
by.
me and our audience what is your view and what is the review of the movie and what connections do you find that with Pakistan?
Sir, there are so many things. It was a fabulous movie. Fabulous.
Okay.
I think Aditya Dhar and team have hit it out of the park. पूरा सिक्सर
Okay.
लगा दिया. It is amazing.
Very nice.
मतलब
Very nice.
IPL के फाइनल में जीतने के लिए जो सिक्सर लगता है, यही सिक्सर वो धुरंधर है.
Very nice. So nice. Yeah.
तो एक्चुअली बिफोर हम प्रेजेंटेशन के टुवर्ड्स जाएंगे, हमें एक वीडियो देखना है तुलसी गैबर्ट जी का, जिन्होंने
Okay.
प्रेजेंट किया है इन अ रीसेंट हियरिंग. ओके, तो हमको
Okay.
समझेगा कि व्हाट इज इट अबाउट. ओके, सो लेट्स जस्ट लुक एट इट.
However, the intelligence community assesses that Russia, China, North Korea, Iran, and Pakistan have been researching and developing an array of novel, advanced, or traditional missile delivery systems with nuclear and conventional payloads that put our homeland within range. However, the intelligence community assesses that Russia.
तो इससे हमें क्या समझना चाहिए सर? सर, यूएस भी एटीट्यूड चेंज करने वाला है टुवर्ड्स पाकिस्तान, एंड हमें ये
Okay.
प्रेजेंटेशन के टुवर्ड्स देखने को मिलेगा. So
Okay.
let's start with the
Let's go ahead
presentation.
with the presentation. Yeah.
To begin with, Dhurandhar 2 and Pakistan's real life double game.
Yeah.
हमें देखना है कि क्या होने वाला है. What is the real to real life parallel comparison? ठीक है.
Okay.
So as everybody knows, Dhurandhar 2 is out in theaters today, and what can we see from that? Because
Yesterday.
behind every story, that is some amount of truth or iota, right?
Okay.
That is what makes a story convincing or from reality. So let's
Very
look at
nice.
it.
Yes.
So what are some of the key things or key themes which are present? Okay, so
This sounds very interesting. This sounds very interesting, Path, the way you are trying to, bring the characters of Dhurandhar into the reality. So let's go ahead.
we are going to bring into life all these different characters which are present. So you see, the character in Dhurandhar is Hamza Ali Mazari. He is going to be the person who is the spy or the protagonist in the movie. And there is a theme of Liari's burning. Liari is one of the important power centers in
The
Pakistan.
Karachi town, which is Liari,
yes.
which is with the underworld activities. Yeah, I saw Dhurandhar once, so I remember Liari. Yeah.
Yes. Then this is the third theme. This is New India. We will kill our enemies when it matters. Ghus ke marenge. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the core philosophy that is outlining the current kind of mindset what the public has or they want.
Yes.
So we see there's a double identity. So one body, two loyalties. Who does Hamza really serve? Like, what is the strategic timing? He says no. He says Hausla, Indhan, Badla, meaning when to act, when to hide, when to use cover, and that is the spy's most greatest weapon, right? So we have to
Hausla
look at
means
it.
the courage. So Hausla means courage. Indhan means the fire in you, and last was
Badla.
revenge. Badla, revenge. So courage, fire in you, and revenge. Yes.
That's right. So what is the real world cast of the situation that we are in? So what is Pakistan's double game here? So we can see that Pakistan is also having a double identity in real life. They pretend to be Saudi's ally and Iran's neighbor, and also the Afghan, and they are the Afghan aggressor. They signed the Saudi Defense Pact, but they have not shown up to do so. They have the obligation to defend Saudi Arabia.
I would like to interject here. So when Saudi signed a treaty with Pakistan and agreeing that it is something like NATO, if there is a war on one, the other will join to protect his friend. According to that act, when Iran attacked Saudi, there were some reports that Saudi asked Pakistan, "Why don't you come and defend?" But Pakistan did not take the initiative. So Pakistan kept quiet. So now the same thing, if Pakistan being attacked, Saudi will also keep quiet, though its resources are all US resources. So this one point I wanted to highlight.
Right. And just as Liari is burning in the movie, now the Gulf region is burning due to the conflict. And
Okay,
it's been,
Yari's girl, very nice. It's a good simile. Yeah, okay.
yes. And it is on fire since communist death on Feb 28th of this year, right? And then
I hope
what is the cover story?
Khamenei is not Dakat, Rahman Dakat.
Yes, yes. So
Okay.
what is the cover story for this double agent in which is Pakistan? Okay, so the
Okay.
cover story is of Afghanistan. So there is open war in Afghanistan. So that is the cover story. So it is created by Pakistan to avoid the mission. It gives them an excuse, right? So they can avoid responsibility because as the agreement says, attack on one is attack on another, meaning it is like some kind of Islamic NATO that they are trying to have,
Yeah,
which is different.
yes.
Okay, so moving on to next one, we see that okay, what is the Saudi Pakistan Defense Pact? So from last year they had signed this agreement, right? And all these different things. So what did Pakistan get in exchange for getting this or signing this agreement, right? So they got some investment, they got IMF support, even some workers got some job security. And what is Pakistan's obligation, right? So they have to deploy military forces if Saudis attack, but right now all we hear is crickets. There is nothing else to be seen.
None of the Pakistan troops have gone to Saudi Arabia to protect it.
Not
Even
one.
the
Not one.
Pakistan has air defense. They have troops. They could have gone to protect against Iran. Or as Saudi Arabia was attacked, Pakistan should have attacked Iran as per the pact.
And when they are sharing a boundary with Iran itself, they could have easily opened a front over there
Yes, it's the
based on.
easiest. Yes. And US
So
forces are already using Pakistan's air bases
yes,
for their operations. Or Israeli forces are using. We don't know who is using. Yeah.
yes. So why Saudi signed it is because for them they thought it is insurance against Iran that maybe Pakistan will come to their rescue with
That
the
did not
Shia
work.
Sunni divide that they have. Right, but it never actually came into the picture, right? So if we see the next, so in Gulf War, Saudi Arabia is invoking the pact, but at least what is Pakistan response? Silence, nothing.
So
They're
you're
having
saying the three steps. Feb 28 is Khamenei gone. March 1st is Strait of Hormuz closed. And the way Iran is behaving as it is, Strait of Hormuz is its own property. It's a natural resource. And I read in the newspapers today that Saudi is planning or UAE is planning to have another parallel artificial canal created so that Strait of Hormuz can be, taken away. And the third, your timeline you're giving is that Saudi Arabia invokes SMDA. Cause Islamabad, come defend us. Okay.
So this is the situation right now. So, but there's no any kind of
Nothing
troop
deployed.
deployment from
Okay.
Pakistan side, right?
Okay.
So then, if we look at this,
So all
okay,
the
so
just for our viewers, can we go to the last slide? All the data is from various sources. We have mentioned it below. Now this is from Al Jazeera, caught between Iran and Saudi Arabia. So every slide, this is in the open source domain information. We are not creating some story and concocting facts. That is for
even there is an
viewers.
article from NPR under the Horn Review where why Pakistan won't fight for Iran. So it is from March 17th. So from 2
This
days
is a
ago.
disclaimer from our side.
Yes. So this is we are presenting open source material and giving our analysis based on that, right? What it could be. So Pakistan declares open war on Afghanistan. Okay. So what is the particular timeline? Okay, so last year we had 2025 Operation Khyber Storm, where we had airstrikes on Kabul, Khost, Jalalabad, and
Yes.
the TTP chief was targeted. Last year again,
Okay,
following that.
before this, I just want to tell you the background. See, uh, Taliban was created by Pakistan, okay, as a counter to Russia with the help of CIA, US, but mainly CIA because CIA has all the funding for all this through drug money and other things. So Pakistan had created Taliban And when Taliban, before the earlier regime, when Taliban came, Pakistan thought, okay, my proxy has come, and now, you know, we will be in control. And my strategic depth, since Pakistan is a very narrow country, in case India attacks, it doesn't have strategic depth to move its aircrafts and resources away from the Indian border. So when Afghanistan comes in, it gets that strategic depth. तो उसकी breadth of the country बढ़ जाती है. Like we've got a strategic depth. हम अपने अगर resources अगर ईस्टर्न सेक्टर में रखते हैं, कैलकाटा wherever नॉर्थ ईस्ट में, Pakistan missiles cannot travel all the way and attack our air bases. So Pakistan doesn't have that luxury. It is a very sleek country. The depth is not there. So it was thinking of Taliban आ गए, they were very happy. Taliban आ गए, अब Taliban is our proxy. अब Taliban के साथ we'll join and it will be a country. And Taliban will get Kashmir for us. That was one of the ministers in Imran Khan government was saying. Now, when Taliban, they realized Taliban is not following the way we have. Taliban ने तो किसी ने की नहीं सुनी. US के साथ पैक कर लिया, US से मनी मिल रहा है, रशिया को. तालिबान will, why should Taliban listen to a stooge of US? तालिबान तो US के साथ कतर में negotiations कर रहा है. Now Taliban said we will have our own way. Taliban gets weekly some million or billions of money for running its country. Pakistan को कुछ पूछता नहीं है. Then Pakistan ने क्या किया? It started attacking places जहाँ इनके अफगानों को भगाना. The thing started. Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan is just a proxy of Taliban in Pakistan. And why? Pakistan says it's an Islamic Republic of Pakistan. If it is an Islamic Republic of Pakistan, it cannot be a democracy. It is a dichotomy. As for Sharia, democracy doesn't work. So either you can be Islamic or you can be a democracy like India. That we are secular, we don't follow secular in this sense that we don't follow any religion. We work as per constitution. But if it is Islamic, it should follow the Sharia. The Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan का claim ये है कि we should not make Pakistan a democratic country. We should run it with the Sharia, the way Taliban is running. So Taliban का ये organization है and all the radical elements in Pakistan जिसको इसी ने बनाया था for attacking Russia and other CIA की लड़ाई के वक्त, they have stood up and they said कि पाकिस्तान जैसे northwest frontier Pakistan, जैसे we have discussed in an earlier podcast, that northwest frontier Pakistan and Balochistan, where most of the people are Pashtun and Afghans, they have borders, they have villages across the borders, they have relatives, they get married across their families. Hence they said we should have Sharia. अब पाकिस्तान गवर्नमेंट का कंट्रोल खैबर पख्तूनख्वा एंड बलूचिस्तान में एक पहले ही बहुत कम था. तहरीक-ए-तालिबान पाकिस्तान when मुशर्रफ took ऑपरेशन अगेंस्ट तहरीक-ए-तालिबान पाकिस्तान, इनको अटैक किया, काफी एयर स्ट्राइक्स पहले भी कर चुके हैं. एज अ रिटेलिएशन ये इनके ब्लास्ट के थे. इनको याद होगा आर्मी स्कूल पाकिस्तान में ब्लास्ट हुआ, लॉट मेनी चिल्ड्रन डाइड, बट इट इज सेड दैट वो शायद पाकिस्तान ऐसा ही नहीं कराया. देयर आर सो मेनी conspiracy theories. Pakistan is full of conspiracy theories. तो ये लड़ाई काफी चल रही है. But since Taliban came into prominence, it started pushing, giving that status to Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan. Actually जो क्लिंटन ने ये कहा था ना, you have snakes in your backyard, आपको ही बाइट करेंगे, तो वही चीज हो रही है. वो क्या रहा है कि जो इन्होंने तालिबान बनाया वो धीरे धीरे इनके कंट्री को कंट्रोल करना चाहता है. एंड दे आर ट्राइंग टू फाइट इट आउट. अब जो यूएस ने इतना रिसोर्स अफगानिस्तान से बगराम एयरपोर्ट निकलने के पहले, एयरबेस से निकलने पहले इतना बिलियंस का जो असला छोड़ के गए हैं, इट इज मेंट फॉर तालिबान एंड तालिबान हैज गिवन दोस असला टू टीटीपी. दूसरा फैक्टर था बलूचिस्तान. बलूचिस्तान में बलूचिस्तान लिबरेशन आर्मी थी. अब वो अलग लड़ती थी. बलूचिस्तान की पॉपुलेशन कम थी, उसको ना फील्ड मार्शल का आर्मी जाके उसको मार के खत्म कर देता था. उनके बॉडीज नहीं मिलते थे, उनके रिलेटिव्स. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस अर्लियर. अभी टीटीपी एंड बलूचिस्तान मिलके अब दे आर पुटिंग अ फ्रंट एंड मोस्ट ऑफ if 40% is of Balochistan and northwest frontier Pakistan, देखा जाए 50-60% is not in control of Pakistan. Now, just as a retaliation and also because Pakistan, Munir and Shehbaz Sharif has gone into the lap of Trump, ये गाजा के लिए इंटरनेशनल स्टेबलाइजेशन फोर्स बनाना चाहते हैं. Now they have asked to give one division of force to the international stabilization force for the peace. उसमें होगा क्या, पैलेस्टीनियों को सिनाई डेजर्ट में डाल देंगे. अब वहां नहीं पाकिस्तान जाना चाहते, तो इज अ थ्योरी दैट दैट्स व्हाई दे आर ट्राइंग टू शो हमारी इंटरनल डिस्टर्बेंस है, इंडिया को प्रोवोक किया, इंडिया अटैक नहीं कर रहा है, तो टीटीपी के साथ ये अफगानिस्तान से लड़ाई इन्होंने मोल ली. अफगानिस्तान का कोई लेना देना नहीं है इसमें. एंड अफगानिस्तान का जो इन्होंने 400 लोग अभी कल हॉस्पिटल में अटैक किए, वो 400 लोग दैट वाज अ डी एडिक्शन सेंटर. इट हैज नथिंग टू डू विद एनी मिलिट्री एस्टैब्लिशमेंट. वहां 400 लोग, 1200 का कुछ हॉस्पिटल था, वहां 400 लोग मार दिए. इफ इट विल पाकिस्तान अंदाज जानबूझ के ये फिंगर कर रहा है अफगानिस्तान को और ये क्रिएट कर रहा है सो दैट इट डजंट हैव टू मूव इट्स ट्रूप, बट इट डजंट नो अफगान में एक पख्तूनवली बोलते हैं, मतलब हमारा जो दोस्त है उसको मैं अपने बेटे की तरह अपने घर वालों की तरह प्रोटेक्ट करूंगा, अगर मैं दुश्मन है तो मैं दुश्मनी निकालूंगा। अफगानिस्तान विल नॉट लेट, और तालिबान व्हेन आई से हु इज रूलिंग अफगानिस्तान विल नॉट लेट पाकिस्तान गो अवे जस्ट लाइक दिस। अब तो मैंने बम फटेंगे
It is a matter of their honor, basically.
यस, सो यू कैन स्टार्ट योर टाइमलाइन फ्रॉम देयर कि टीटीपी का उनको कोशिश किया था उसने अफगानिस्तान टीटीपी को, पहले पाकिस्तान ने अफगानिस्तान को बोला कि आप टीटीपी को आप वो मत शेल्टर करो, देयर इज गुड तालिबान एंड बैड तालिबान, माने गुड तालिबान यू एंड बैड तालिबान इज टीटीपी। उन्होंने कहा कोई गुड बैड नहीं होता, ये सब हमारे पास है, उनकी अपनी राइट, वो अपना लड़ रहे हैं, दे आर रिवोल्यूशनरी फोर्स। बहुत कुछ बोलने के बाद नहीं माना अफगानिस्तान, देन दे तो वो वही चीज कर रहे थे जो वो इंडिया के साथ कर रहे थे, इंडिया के साथ वो करे, वो कश्मीर की अपनी रेवोल्यूशन है, बट
I mean,
अब जब नहीं करे
हाँ,
तो पाकिस्तान ने
is
एक
that
तरह से
logic ना?
करने की कोशिश की ऑन अफगानिस्तान
हाँ.
बाय डूइंग दिस एयर स्ट्राइक। या यू कैन स्टार्ट नाउ फ्रॉम द अक्टूबर।
Is that logic ना कि one man's revolutionary is another man's terrorist? So it's one way to look at that. So when
तालिबान के
you
बाद नहीं माने, इनका नेगोशिएशन नहीं हुआ कतर में, दोहा में, देन दे स्टार्टेड, दे सेड कि हम तो ऐसे सॉर्ट आउट कर देंगे, बीएलए को भी देख लेंगे और इनके एयर स्ट्राइक करेंगे, अफगानिस्तान है क्या। तो दे स्टार्टेड अटैकिंग इन अक्टूबर 2025। कतर में मीडिएशन हुआ, सीजफायर ब्रेक किया, फिर मैसिव न्यू स्ट्राइक ननगार पट्टिका कोस्ट में किया पाकिस्तान ने। देन पाकिस्तान डिफेंस मिनिस्टर सेड वी आर इन ओपन वॉर विद, नाउ यू हैव टेकन ओपन वॉर विद समबडी जिसको कोई लेना देना नहीं था आपके साथ, आपने इतने अफगान बॉर्डर से बाहर कर दिया आपने। नाउ द डोरेन लाइन को पाकिस्तान अफगानिस्तान मानता ही नहीं, टिल इस्लामाबाद इज अफगानिस्तान, द ग्रेटर अफगानिस्तान, सो दे आर गोइंग टू लूज देयर कंट्री। इतने में गल्फ वॉर एक्सप्लोड हो गया जो ईरान वाला। सो नाउ यू कैन कंटिन्यू, दैट इज व्हाट यू रिटन इन द कॉल आउट आल्सो। लास्ट पॉइंट, 1,15,000 अफगान को इन्होंने भगा दिया, इन्होंने ही उनको सिटीजनशिप दी थी, टेम्पररी सिटीजनशिप। व्हेन इनका टीटीपी का तालिबान ने कहा हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, टीटीपी इज योर प्रॉब्लम, इन्होंने अफगानियों को भगा दिया, एंड दैट इज बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा है इन अफगानिस्तान की, तुमने हमारे लोगों को निकाल दिया डोरन लाइन। दैट्स व्हाई दे कीप ब्रेकिंग डोरन लाइन। डोरन लाइन में जितने पोस्ट है पाकिस्तान के वो सब भाग गए हैं। टोटल कंट्रोल ऑफ बलूचिस्तान, अब ये बीएलए और मिलने के बाद टोटल कंट्रोल ऑफ बलूचिस्तान एंड नॉर्थ वेस्ट फ्रंटियर पाकिस्तान जो है, खैबर पख्तूनख्वा, ये में अभी तालिबान और टीटीपी का ही है।
बेसिकली जो भी सारे ड्यूरेंट लाइन के अक्रॉस पाकिस्तानी पोस्ट है वो मंदिर का घंटा है, कोई भी आके बजा के चले जाता है बेसिकली।
अफगानी तालिबान आके बजा के, अरे वो भाग जाते हैं, दे सरेंडर, अपनी पतलूने छोड़ के वो
वही ना, लगा के चले जाते हैं फिर बाद में उनको।
वो दे हैव नो, क्वेटा जो है बलूचिस्तान का कैपिटल, वही क्वेटा का जो कोर है वही रह गया आसपास। वो हेलीकॉप्टर से उनकी फौज जाती है, बाई ट्रेन तो जा ही नहीं सकते। वो जो जलालाबाद कौन सा एक्सप्रेस उस पे जो अटैक करते रहते, तो पॉइंट इनका बलूचिस्तान कंट्रोल में नहीं और खैबर पख्तूनख्वा जहाँ टीटीपी का रोल है वो कंट्रोल में नहीं।
करेक्ट करेक्ट
एंड दे हैव टेकन दिस वॉर टू शो कि हमें प्रॉब्लम है और हम गाजा नहीं जाना चाहते।
Yes. So this once this is over, right? So then we come into this situation. So what is the real motive? So for Pakistan, as sir is also saying here, Afghanistan is a strategic escape hatch. Okay, the official reason is okay. No, this is some kind of counterterrorism against TTP. We have Islamabad and Bajour and Bannu attacks. So
Pakistan always wanted to take control of Afghanistan so that have bigger depth, तो उसका स्पेस यूज करके अपने रिसोर्सेज पीछे करने के लिए, अवे फ्रॉम इंडिया।
Yeah. And Pakistan Army Chief personally told MBS, looks like that our military is engaged in Afghanistan, we cannot deploy to Saudi Arabia. So many different official excuses they are trying to put. Okay, so and this has been documented under some reports also here. So this is again as per what has been published in open source. So we are not making anything up. This is what is the information available outside over there. Okay, so what is also the reality? 2,400 Pakistani security personnel are lost in 2026 alone, and we are just in the matter of March of 2026. Okay, we are not even completed the year.
Even last year, around more than 1,500 troops they have lost. Their media is totally, controlled. They do not share the real, casualties of their defense forces. Rather, TTP puts video online जिसमें दिखाते हैं हमने इतने पकड़ लिए, इतने मार दिए.
In fact, that's what I'm saying. If last year we have done 50, we have understood that it is arrived to be around 1,500 or more. Now it is just March and we have reached 2,400 already in the first quarter of the year.
And there is a last mass exodus in their army because they don't want to go in Balochistan or Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and fight TTP and BLA. They don't
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
go. इनके mass exodus resignations भी हो रहे हैं. So that is a condition.
Yeah. Basically, people are going AWOL.
Yeah.
Basically, this is the military term where they are going without leave. They are just abandoning their post and leaving wherever they are supposed
Absent
to be.
without leave. AWL. Yeah.
Yes. So, so this is it. So, what is Pakistan's three-front nightmare here? Okay, so India, Iran, Afghanistan. So now इस साल तो देखेंगे इस साल नहीं तो कोई तो पूरा ये सिचुएशन में पिसने वाला है कोई ना कोई पाकिस्तान की पूरा
Maybe prophecy. Okay. There, my understanding. अफगानिस्तान के पास ड्रोन्स आ गए हैं. अफगानिस्तान इज नॉट अटैकिंग इस्लामाबाद एंड द एयर बेसिस. इन्होंने खान ने इसको काफी अटैक किए. सो मेरा ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड वेयर आई हैव रिसर्च इज मे बी इजराइल इज हेल्पिंग अफगानिस्तान with drones and other technology, and maybe India is also at the back burner helping them clandestinely, and Afghanistan is going all out, will go all out after this airstrike in their hospital. You may find in March end, that is my prophecy, my understanding, March and April Op Sindhu 2 may also start. I may be wrong, but this is my feeling, gut feeling and understanding कि इस तरफ अफगानिस्तान ठोकेगा और इस तरफ से Op Sindhu 2 will start, and the threat that, because there are two countries who were a threat for nuclear bomb. One is Iran, जिसका चला है, पाकिस्तान के ऑलरेडी था, though it was in control of US, but you never know these Islamist country में mediate and अपना nuclear resources ईरान को दे दे. ये कर सकते हैं. AQ खान ने पहले भी किया हुआ है नॉर्थ कोरिया के साथ. सो इजराइल का भी एम होगा कि इजराइल का नेक्स्ट, ईरान सबसे बड़ा टारगेट है और पाकिस्तान, बिकॉज पाकिस्तान के पासपोर्ट में लिखा है कि यू आर नॉट सपोज टू, दिस पासपोर्ट इज नॉट वैलिड फॉर इजराइल, एंड एज पर देयर होली टेक्स्ट यहूद एंड हनूद एंड द क्रिश्चियंस इजराइलीज, देयर आर देयर एनिमीज, राइट. सो ये दोनों को तो इजराइल फॉर इट्स ओन सर्वाइवल खत्म करेगा. ईरान के पीछे पड़ा हुआ है, नेक्स्ट टारगेट इज पाकिस्तान, एंड इंडिया एंड इजराइल में collude together to attack Pakistan from both fronts.
And there is also a very interesting Israeli angle in Dhurandhar 2 also. So you will enjoy that when you watch the theater. So,
I need to see the movie soon. I'm looking forward.
Yes. And so this is the interesting part. For the first time in any recent history, Pakistan is in armed hostility with all three neighbors simultaneously.
Yes.
Okay.
Even with Iran. Iran के साथ इनका ISIS खुरासान जो है, which is again a ISI का stooge, is trying to create problems in Iran, and Iran तभी बीच में मिसाइल फायरिंग हुई, but वो रुक गया. That they stopped.
Even if the kinetic action is stopped, it is probably not stopped in other ways. So they are probably not having. They are not probably having.
I don't understand one thing. When Iran is attacking all the countries, Saudi, Qatar, UAE, Syria, all the bases where US is there. US का सबसे बड़ा बेस तो पाकिस्तान में है. Why Iran is not attacking Pakistan?
Why that special treatment?
Yes. And when Iran says, let's have a, Islamic net and all Islamic countries should rise against the West, the problem is, the answer to this is, Iran is a Shia country. And all these countries are Sunni countries. They, as it is, उनके अपने मोहम्मद के lineage में they have a fight. जिसमें Iraq, Israel fought for 90s में. Now what it is, वो जो call जो है, it is a call for all the Shias living in these countries. पाकिस्तान में भी some portion of Shias are there. हमारे कश्मीर में है, हैदराबाद में है. And even in Iraq, 30-40% is Shia. Okay, Iraq, Saddam was a Sunni, but 30-40% was Shia. So what I'm trying to say is, they are trying their Shia brethren to come up and fight against the West. So this war it has taken a religious trend also.
So if we go to the next one, we can see, okay, so 12 months of hostility. So what has happened? Pakistan versus its neighbors. We have just looked at it. They are in conflict in one way or another, right? So with India, we had Op Sindhu last year. It's not even been 1 year since Op Sindhu.
Abhi hoga. That is my prophecy. Next month or month.
And then we've had the diplomatic freeze which has happened. We have different operations with Afghanistan and Iran which has happened. Many of the, in fact, on the Iran side also, there is a lot
Yeah.
of activity from the Baloch also, which is happening in Balochistan. So,
Okay.
and again, to summarize, 2,400 alone, killed in 2026 this year, and we are just in the first quarter of this year, meaning so many more can happen through by the end of the year, right? And so Pakistan's military is being bled dry on 3 fronts simultaneously. So one must wonder whose master
आ गया
stroke it
पाकिस्तान
is.
पे. हाँ.
Whose master stroke it is, one must wonder a little bit. I will leave it to the audience's imagination.
I think it is not only us, the whole West and and this Israel, everybody is involved somewhere or the other. Because Tulsi Gabbard ka statement is also very strange, na? Out
Yep,
of context. Because Pakistan thinks that US is its ally and strategy and partner, and we are helping US with the air bases, Iran pe attack ke liye, right?
In
So
fact,
somehow
Trump is
it is-
also aware that Pakistan is not the good guy, because even before he was
in the
elected,
first
he had
tenure,
given
वो
a
तो कहता
statement.
था Pakistan, yes, Pakistan is a failed state and we have wasted so much money in Pakistan. But I think because of the Iran's operation, ना, इसने पाकिस्तान के failed Munir, failed
He
field marshal
has
को
to
बुला
cater
के
to them
yeah,
little bit. This
control
is his
किया, yes,
obligation.
कि मुझे ईरान में ऑपरेशन करना है तो इजराइल को तो आई नीड तो अभी पाकिस्तान को करो बट आफ्टर दिस ऑपरेशन उसने देखा वो पाकिस्तान का कोई रोल लेना हो दे just take it out like a used tissue paper.
I mean,
Yeah.
basically, use and throw tissue
Yeah.
paper, they are treating Pakistan like
हाँ,
that. So,
yes, they will. And
So,
उसकी औकात ही हुई है ना
so then if
Pakistan.
you look at it, like fiction is now meeting geopolitics. What is the Hamza parallel here, right? Let's
This
say
is interesting. Yeah.
we are maintaining the double identity. So we are having the power vacuum, and it is being used by its advantage. Similarly, Pakistan also is doing the same. Maybe they are inspired by Dhurandhar,
Double face.
so
हाँ.
so they are trying to distract from their problem and go outside over there, right? They are going with the same narrative, whereas in Dhurandhar, Ghuske Marenge is along the different lines, but where Pakistan is doing it is in different lines, meaning that they are doing it
Yes.
for the sake of TTP and other people like that, because they are
वो
maybe they are inspired
अफगानिस्तान
by.
को दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हम अफगानिस्तान को सॉर्ट आउट कर देंगे अभी बलूचिस्तान को सॉर्ट आउट कर देंगे इन दैट वे यस it is
And in the
parallel.
film, like in any spy film, right? So the double game eventually catches up with the spy. This is what they show, right? Because most spies eventually, one way or another, they get caught.
पाकिस्तान तो
And
डबल गेम खेल रहा है आज 50 साल से विद यूएस
yes,
यूएस के साथ भी है और यूएस का पैसा भी यूज कर रहा है अफगानिस्तान को बोल रहा है कि यूएस से हम तुमको पैसा दिलवा रहे हैं अपना कमीशन खा रहा है
yes,
और अफगानिस्तान माने ही इज प्लेइंग डबल रोल विद पाकिस्तान अफगानिस्तान बहुत सालों से एंड अफगानिस्तान को बोल रहा है मैं तुमको पैसे दिलवाऊंगा ही इज गोइंग आउट अफगानिस्तान के लिए पैसे मांग रहा है देखो अफगानिस्तान में इतनी बुराई है हमें तो ये डबल गेम तो खेल ही रहा है फॉर अफगानिस्तान तो हमजा तो बना ही हुआ है
yes. So then, what must India watch? Okay, what are the strategic implications in this case? Okay, so like we discussed, Pakistan military is stressed. Their friends are withering away like the wine on the vineyard that is there present. The
Okay.
credibility is destroyed. No country will trust Pakistan as a defense
तो
partner
कोई नहीं
again,
करता
because
आजकल हाँ जस्ट बिकॉज
so
इट्स लोकेशन विद अफगानिस्तान एंड वेस्ट एशिया का एंट्रेंस है इसलिए क्योंकि अफगानिस्तान का कोई पोर्ट नहीं है so through Pakistan only you can come and Iran is a hostile country for the West तो इसलिए पाकिस्तान को पाला हुआ है because of getting into Afghanistan
yes,
and countering
yes.
Russia and China.
Yes. So, they are being increasingly isolated, which actually works in India's favor, right? So,
Okay.
weakening Pakistan is, not safer, as we can see. Like a lot more things are going to happen in the future. Like their desperation will increase. Maybe the intensity of military operations from both sides in India and Pakistan may increase as the situation worsens on the Pakistani side, when their desperation will be increasing day by day, right? This is a excellent intelligence opportunity for India as well, to
Okay.
keep their eyes on, right? And Pakistan's lifeline is weakening.
Yes.
So what is the long game here? So we see that there is a regional realignment happening. Okay, so there are two scenarios. Okay, so either we can see that Pakistan is being increasingly isolated, or they are forced to choose somebody. Okay, that means they are forced to choose between the present scenario that they should go ahead and abandon whatever distraction that they're doing and focus on Saudi,
No, but
which they will like lose miserably
they
because
cannot.
it's like
They are in a self destruction mode. अगर वो सऊदी के साथ जाएंगे तो ईरान उनको ठोकेगा, अगर
yeah,
ईरान के साथ जाएंगे तो वेस्ट उनको ठोकेगा, राइट? इंडिया उनका रिलीजियस रीजन से दुश्मन है, इसराइल उनका रिलीजियस रीजन से दुश्मन है, वेस्ट को पैसा लेते हैं इसलिए माई बाप बोलते हैं. सो इफेक्टिवली उनके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचा. दे हैव डग अ ग्रेव जिसमें घुसते चले जा रहे हैं. इट इज अ सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्ट बटन नाउ. वो इवेंचुअली दे हैव टू, इट विल ब्रेक अप इनटू 4 पीसेस. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ना सो मेनी टाइम्स कि पाकिस्तान के 4 टुकड़े तो होने ही है. वो टुकड़े का
absolutely.
स्टार्टिंग हो गया है. बलूचिस्तान कंट्रोल से बाहर हो गया, खैबर पख्तूनख्वा टीटीपी कर लिया है. अब इट इज डूइंग सच थिंग्स, इट इज इनवाइटिंग ट्रबल कि अफगानिस्तान अटैक करो, मेरे से 2 पार्ट ले ले. Because Khyber
Yes,
Pakhtunkhwa is supposed to meet with merge with Pakistan. Balochistan will be an independent state as per CIA General Narayan ka Lieutenant Colonel Ralph Peters का जो CIA का understanding we have discussed earlier. So as per General Narayan हर जगह वो बोलते हैं, and this is what कि Balochistan will be an independent state जिसको US will not take Balochistan के थ्रू जाएगा अगर जाना है तो. पाकिस्तान को बस डिच कर देगा. Because पाकिस्तान से पंजाब और सिंध बच जाएगा और कुछ नहीं बचेगा. Even आजाद
and
कश्मीर
this
will come to India.
and this is an era in which we will have increasingly better relationship with Afghanistan, and
Yes.
we must engage them diplomatically to ensure that Pakistan's instability remains in such a way so that it is good for better Indian relations with them,
Yes.
because
Yes.
it's a win-win situation for everybody in that situation.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. So, what are some key takeaways? We saw like Pakistan signed a defense pact with Saudi, didn't honor the open war is there as excuse, and then Pakistan is in simultaneous all three neighbors it's engaged in conflict with, and you can see like Durandar 2's Hamza Ali Mazari mirrors Pakistan's real world double identity perfectly, like how they are playing double game. So
Yes.
and this double game is unsustainable for anybody. Okay, so Pakistan's credibility is getting in tatters as a friend or a
It
ally
was
for
already
anybody.
bad and it is deteriorated further. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So I will leave you with this. Okay, एक हमजा है पाकिस्तान में और डबल गेम ज्यादा देर नहीं चलेगा. Okay, this is
So is
what
this
is the
some hint on Dhurandhar 2 that Hamza will not succeed in Dhurandhar 2, because I have not seen this. Agar Hamza
I
is
I will
parallelly,
leave it to your suspense. I will leave it to your suspense, audience.
Okay.
You will thoroughly enjoy the movie, and I will take it that Aditya Dharan and team have done an
They've done
excellent
a
job.
very
I
patriotic and fabulous job. Yeah.
So it is going to leave you at the edge of your seat, just like I'm sitting on the edge of my seat right now. And this will be
I really enjoyed the presentation because we started with Dhurandhar 2 movies characters. We brought Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India and Iran and all these conflicts, and we ended with the Dhurandhar 2 movie ke some palace. So I'm sure our audience will find this very interesting.
absolutely, sir. So I think with this we can conclude
Yes.
today's presentation.
Sure.
So,
And we'll try and
thank
bring more such interesting podcast with the geopolitics,
yes.
movies, technologies, all in a melange.
Yes, sir. And I will thank you for your time, sir. And let's do this once again. Jai Hind,
Sure.
Jai
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.